Have a tight garage? Need to move a project car around with no wheels or suspension? The Eastwood pinch weld dollies are your solution. Let's see how these dollies transform your workspace. Now let me explain to you why these dollies might be better than your average wheel dollies. The car behind me is getting its wheels repainted. That means the wheels are going to be off the car for a couple of days, but we still need to operate in the studio. We still need to move this car around. Typical jack stands would allow this to not be moved anywhere, or wheel dollies, you would need actual wheels on the car. We have neither, we can't keep it still, and we don't have wheels. So what are we gonna do? Use the pinch weld dollies. They're a perfect solution, and honestly, I love having them around the shop. Now let's give you a little detail about the actual dollies themselves. These aren't your average dollies. The Eastwood pinch weld dollies are built with heavy-duty steel designed to handle the weight of most vehicles, up to 1,800 pounds per dolly to be specific. The robust construction ensures they can withstand repeated use, providing reliability and performance for years to come. We even gave them a super durable powder-coated finish to make sure they stand up to the wear and tear of normal shop use. The unique design of these dollies allow them to securely engage with your vehicle's pinch welds. This provides a stable and secure lifting point, preventing damage to your vehicles, and you get a safe and effective way to move your project around the garage. The pinch weld clamps themselves are adjustable, meaning these will be able to securely lock on to most vehicles. We even made them height adjustable depending on the type of work you're doing. Keep them high when you're working so you can sit comfortably on a stool, or lower them down for storage. This translates to peace of mind. You can maneuver your vehicle without fear of slippage or damage, protecting your investment and ensuring a smooth, controlled movement. Equipped with smooth rolling 5-inch swivel casters, these dollies provide easy maneuverability in any direction. You'll be able to navigate tight spaces with ease, making repositioning your vehicle a breeze. Each caster also locks, ensuring your project stays exactly where you need it to when you're done moving it around. Now, this provides a complete and convenient solution for moving your vehicle. You'll have the flexibility to reposition your car wherever you need it, saving you time and effort. The Eastwood pinch weld dollies in a 2 or 4-piece kit are the perfect solution for anyone needing to maximize their garage space or move their project vehicles with ease. Built tough and designed for convenience, these dollies will transform your workspace. Visit Eastwood.com today to learn more and get yourself a set.